5 by 6 is 30. 1 by 6 is 0.6. The answer is 306. 7 by 2 is 14. 8 by 2 is 16. The answer is 156. 2 by 8 is 16. 8 by 8 is 64. The answer is 224. 1 by 6 is 0.6. 7 by 6 is 42. The answer is 102. 2 by 6 is 12. 7 by 6 is 42. The answer is 162. 6 by 4 is 24. 9 by 4 is 36. The answer is 276. 1 by 4 is 0.4. 2 by 4 is 8. The answer is 48. 3 by 8 is 24. 6 by 8 is 48. The answer is 288. 5 by 6 is 30. 4 by 6 is 24. The answer is 324. 9 by 9 is 81. 8 by 9 is 72. The answer is 882. 4 by 2 is 8. 3 by 2 is 6. The answer is 86. 5 by 9 is 45. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 468. 9 by 5 is 45. 1 by 5 is 0.5. The answer is 455. 2 by 5 is 10. 8 by 5 is 40. The answer is 140. 3 by 9 is 27. 6 by 9 is 54. The answer is 324.